We're going to be doing a series of videos on how to maintain your laser. I've brought in our resident expert, Adam Bourassa.
Hey guys.
He does all the maintenance, QC, repairs and stuff for us, and he's kind of the expert. So what about the inside optics then?
Okay, so the inside optics is a little bit more advanced, and you do have to be careful in here.
I know this much. We
Yes.
have mirrors, and then we have dichroics.
Okay, so a mirror is just going to bounce any light, all light, off of that mirror.
And then dichroics?
And then dichroics are actually filters, but we're using them to combine rather than filter.
So let's talk about then chemical supplies that you might need for cleaning.
Absolutely. The other thing we have here is basically Q-tips. Now these are long stemmed. This makes it so we can get in there and reach inside. Now, just a dry Q-tip alone doesn't necessarily cut it, so we use a solvent. We like to use acetone when we're cleaning optics. You can buy store grade acetone, but there is some little bit better stuff out there. The hardware store grade acetone is okay.
Gotcha.
So one thing you do want to do is start off with a fairly wet Q-tip when you're going into your optics. And it's important to understand that when you go in there, that you stay away from the glue joints around your optic that you're targeting for cleaning. And what you want to do is stick that Q-tip on that optic, and you want to roll in the opposite direction in which you're wiping, so that it's actually picking up the dirt and pulling it away and off of the mirror instead of just grinding it into your optics.
Okay, so I know there's two other mirrors in here. It's the scanners.
Yes, and they're a little bit more trickier to get to because you have all this other operating gear around here. So what I like to do is actually power on the laser so that the mirrors lock in their home position. There is certain instances where having the laser on does help because it allows you to see the dirt. Turn the laser on a very low setting.
Super low, yeah.
And then I can go through the optics, and as I wipe, I can actually see less light scatter coming off of that optic.
So you can see your progress. If you are going to do that and you're new to it, you might want to pick up some of our technician glasses just to make sure that you're extra safe on that, especially if you're new to this.